We're James and Holly, and for over 10 years we've both been spending all of our hard-earned money on travel, but things are about to change.
We bought a house!
And the house we have bought is a doer-upper, so we've got to do everything in the house, and we've never done anything quite like this before, so we're complete novices. Welcome to our new adventure.
Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 17 of the House Build Renovation series.
And if you've read the title of today's video, it's a little bit of a spoiler, but we didn't really want to hold it back. We just wanted to say exactly what today's video is all about. And today's video is about...
We're finally moving in! I honestly didn't think this day would ever arrive.
I was going to say, this is like a relief off of my shoulders right now. It's been a long time coming to get to this point, but we're super excited. It's a fun video.
Yeah. And
make sure you stick around to the end because we show you something really flipping cool. So as you guys probably already know, we really haven't done much work downstairs in the house. It still looks like it originally did, just with all of our tools and rubbish basically everywhere. We did a little bit of work under the stairs to kind of get a little bit of the kitchen ready because we needed to do that because of all of the plumbing for the bathroom. We've actually now got to the stage which is super exciting because we've had something done upstairs. You can probably already guess what it is by now, but... What does that mean?
Shoes off. No shoes.
No shoes allowed.
No shoes.
Holly's already shouting me for no shoes.
It finally looks like a room. After a year, we finally got to the point where we can actually move in, and I'm not gonna lie, I didn't actually think we'd get here. So if we do a little bit of a flashback now to what it looked like before, I can't actually believe it's the same room. It looks completely different, thankfully. It would be a bit annoying if it didn't. So this isn't any old carpet. This is pet-proof carpet, so you can scrub it and I don't know, it cleans better because we want to get a dog eventually. However,
a little puppo.
James has just informed me that the dog won't be allowed in the bedroom, so that was kind of pointless. And the underlay isn't any old underlay. It is actually
underlay.
It is actually made of recycled rubber tyres.
Car tyres.
I think so. I think it's car tyres. They didn't specify, but yeah, I think so.
And we obviously didn't film the carpet process being fitted because it's just
because pandemic
and it's down already. This is the recycled car tyres, apparently the underlay, and then this is our dog-proof carpet. You see, the thing is, that wardrobe has been around for many years. It's been Holly's wardrobe for how many years?
I don't even know.
We've kind of lost count and it's been moved lots of times, so that's kind of why it's got a few little scuffs on it and stuff. But, you know, we can't buy everything new, so we've got our old existing wardrobe. Is it going to be like jelly?
No.
And as you just saw, it's a little bit wobbly.
That's why it's like jelly.
Kind of got the same issue putting the bed up as we had when we were putting the wardrobe up. This is our bed from when we were in the flat, so it's been put up and down quite a few times and everything's a little bit worn out and getting the screws in is proving quite difficult. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The games room. What are you saying then, Holly?
It's perfect. I think it's pretty obvious what's going on. We just built our TV stand.
The new games room.
Yep.
It's flipping pimping.
Not too close.
I mean, it's going to be like we're at the cinema because
that's what we were going for.
The TV screen is going to be there and we're literally sat there. And one thing what you might have noticed by now is that we actually have a sofa in the room amongst all the other mess. What makes this sofa kind of special is that it's not just a sofa, it is a sofa bed. We've actually had this sat downstairs for about 6 months.
Less than that, 3 months.
We bought this and got it delivered like before lockdown commenced because we were worried that IKEA was going to go IKEA was going to
Not allow
shut
us to have
down
the
or not
sofa.
allow us to have it, and obviously it took us a lot longer to get into the house because of lockdown. What makes this so good? We moved these pillows.
And the main reason why it's massive,
The main reason why
we
it's
understand it's a massive sofa for a small room and 2 people.
This comes up here. Put this down here.
Snug little sofa bed.
What are you saying? Hopefully you don't punch the TV in the middle of the night.
You have to sign a disclaimer.
When we want to watch a film.
I was going to say, can we just watch a film like this? And James said no. What a spoil sport.
And another reason why we are so excited about sorting out the upstairs of the house and kind of move in and kind of reorganise some stuff is I can actually, hopefully, fingers crossed, get my office back. Because for the last, basically, year, the office has now just been our storeroom. So at the beginning of all of the house build renovation videos, you obviously watched me build the office. I literally had the office for about a week, and then we just piled all of our stuff in here. Everything is just completely covered in dust because of all of the work in the house, but it does mean now that we can start organising all of this and getting all these boxes out.
Would you like to have a look?
What is
I
this?
just found.
Oh, look! Little bobbleheads. You remember them from the flat?
We've got so much stuff we've forgotten about.
I know, and it means we don't have to wear the same clothes. We've literally been wearing the same t-shirts and trousers for about a year because all of our clothes are in boxes in there.
I did wash them a couple of times.
Lovely, Hollie!
Yay! We got a TV!
Give me a high five. Level 1. Down low.
Ow!
Probably tell by now the main feature of this room, our gaming room, is this over my shoulder. And if you don't know what I'm on about, the flipping TV. Just look how incredible this is, and I should probably say this is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. We actually bought this TV back in November last year. We actually bought it on a Black Friday deal on Amazon, so we've had it a little while, but now we can finally see what it looks like in this room, and it just looks incredible. It's 55 inches OLED, it's 4K, it just looks amazing, and the main feature of why we bought it is because of the incredible ambilight which is built into this TV. So basically the LEDs behind it shine around and shine colour all over the wall and all over the room to basically show what is being shown on the screen. So no matter what you're actually using the TV for, whether it's YouTube or Netflix or playing an Xbox game, those LEDs, the ambilight, will shine the colour of whatever's being shown on the screen. So we go back into the game, you can see here that we've got a street light which is shining the wall behind yellow, and over on the other side where the sky's a little bit blue, it's shining that area blue, and obviously it will just keep updating no matter what is actually being shown on the screens. It basically makes it look way more immersive, and I love it, and watching films on it just looks incredible as well. And if you've been watching this whole house build renovation series, you know by now that we really wanted to take this old English cottage of what we bought and turn it into a new modern smart house. So I wanted basically be able to control everything through my phone. So from the lighting to the heating, I want to basically have it all smart. And now the TV is also smart, so I can do some really cool things as well, which is kind of nerdy and I absolutely love it. But I can go, Alexa, Xbox time. Just watch. Keep watching. Do you hear that? Xbox and the TV turns on through my voice. And it can even do things as ridiculous as this. Alexa, launch Forza Horizon 4 on my Xbox. It's just...
Getting Forza Horizon 4.
It's just so unnecessary, but it's so flipping cool and I absolutely love it. It basically launches my games for me. So I can just go in and start playing a game without actually having to physically press to play the game. It is so ridiculous, but I'm absolutely in love, as you can tell. As you can tell. So basically, to cut a long story short, we have spent a whole year getting the house to the level it is now. We've done pretty much all the work ourselves, and it's been a very, very stressful time. It's been very hard. I feel like the worst is kind of over in the house now. We've obviously ripped so much stuff out of the house, but also it has now become very, very rewarding because we can actually get in the house, relax, watch films, play games, and not have to worry and stress about doing the house too much, because pretty much the whole of the upstairs of this house is now done and is pretty much complete. There's still a few things that we do want to do, but we're at the stage now where we can actually finally enjoy it.